In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz assignment in Google Classroom quickly and efficiently. Follow along as we navigate this straightforward process together. Let's get started by accessing Google Drive. Open your browser and head over to your Google Drive by visiting drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll want to access your apps. Look for the Google Apps icon, usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and from the list of options that appear, select Classroom. This will take you directly to Google Classroom, where we can start setting up your quiz assignment. Inside Google Classroom, you'll see a list of your classes. If you're new to Classroom, this might be blank, but if you've used it before, select the class you want to create the quiz for, click on the name of the class, and you'll be directed to your class's homepage. Once you're in the class, navigate to the Classwork tab. This is where all assignments, quizzes, and resources for your class are managed. Next, we'll click on the Create button, which is prominently located on the Classwork page. Clicking Create gives you several options. For our purpose, select Assignment or Quiz Assignment. This particular choice brings up a blank template where you can start creating your quiz. Now, let's incorporate Google Forms into your assignment. There's a Drive icon right there on the assignment page, so click on Drive to add a form. You're going to select a Google form from your Drive. If you already have a quiz form ready, simply link it here. If not, you can create a new one by selecting Blank Quiz. After you've linked or created your quiz form, click on the Add button to confirm and attach it to your assignment. At this point, you'll see your form added to the assignment details. If you're starting from scratch or need to modify the form, click on it to open Google Forms in a new tab. In Google Forms, you can edit questions, add new ones, and configure settings to suit your needs. Once your quiz is prepared, go back to the Classroom tab. Make sure to complete any additional setup for your assignment, like setting a due date, assigning points, or adding instructions for your students. That's it. Now that your quiz assignment is ready, hit the Assign button to distribute it to your class. With these steps, your quiz is live and your students can start attempting it. I hope this tutorial makes creating quiz assignments in Google Classroom easier and more efficient for you. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.